wants it. He needs it. Must have the precious. He stole it from us. Sneaky little hobbitses. Wicked, tricksy, false. No, master. Yes. Precious first. They will teach you, hurt you, lie. Master, my friend, you don't have any friends. Nobody likes you. Not listening. You're a liar and a thief. No, murderer. Go away. I hate you. Where would you be without me? I saved us. It was me. We survived because of me. Not anymore. What did you say? Master looks after us now. We don't need you. What? Leave now and never come back. No! Leave now and never come back. Leave now and never come back. We told him to go away. He goes. Precious. Gone. Smeagol is free.